Guys, do you know one reason why I bought Nissan 1400? It's because that car is reliable, easy to fix, the parts are really cheap, and even with the price, it's cheap to find it. One, like you can find a good one for like good price. So today I went to WeBuyCars actually to show my friend why I decided to buy Nissan 1400 instead of the new Bakkies that are in the market right now, because for me they are way out of my budget and they're hell expensive. So I'm just gonna share with you guys some of the prices that if you're a farmer and you're looking for a Bakkie, this is how much you should actually budget for. Let's start with the first one. So the first Bakkie that we came across, it was a 2022 Ford Ranger, sitting at 90,000 Ks on mileage. It was going for 471 rand. Like guys, we were gonna pay in like 9,000 per month. You imagine. And the second one, it was another Ford. It's FX4. It was going for 481 at a mileage of 54. Cars are expensive, guys. Imagine. So you're looking at the installment around 10k per month gone. These cars are not for me, guys. These ones, my Ford Rangers, they're not for me. But I'm not a fan of Ranger. Then came to my favorite brand, Volkswagen. So we had 2018 model for Amarok 3 liter, sitting at 163 kilometers. You're looking to spend around 427. Probably gonna pay like 9k per month on your installment. Yeah, not including insurance. Remember that one as well. It was followed by my favorite workhorse, the Isuzu KB 250 diesel. It was going for 252. So probably looking at the installment of like 5,000 to 6,000. And then followed by the Toyota Hilux 3 liter D4D. I don't know why this car is still expensive. It was sitting at the mileage of 190 and going on a price of 242. Wow. But guys, you still tell me, is Ford actually a reliable car? Because there were so many Rangers there at the store. Then was followed by the new Navara, looking at 90,000 kilometers at a price of 440. You're looking at an installment of 7,000 there. But guys, I'm still saying there were a lot of Ford Rangers. Is it really Ford Ranger a reliable car, or they're just producing cars and then jiggy you'll find yourself selling it here at WeBuyCars? But that's put me up. Then it was my favorite Bakkie of all time. My favorite Bakkie of all time, the Toyota Club Cab. This one, it was going for 300,000 and it was around 230 mileage. Guys, Club Cab, so but guys, between the Club Cab and the double cab, which one will you take? So the double cab one, it was going for 434 at a mileage of 230 I think as well. But some Bakkies, I don't think they were made for farming field. Like Nissan Navara, that car looks like the Mercedes-Benz Bakkie X-Class. Once again, thanks for watching Makwala Agri's content. So for those that wanted to know why I bought the Nissan 1400 instead of buying all these Bakkies, that's because of the price of it. This car's expensive. Dango.